In fact, insects don't have any taste. It's the way they prepare them with curry, with herbs, so be careful of that. Mostly you need a very easy drinking type of wine with a lot of acidity, so to refresh your mouth, because the taste can be a bit spicy. So mainly white wine, rosé wine, or very light reds. Two different grapes, of course. Both comes from the same origin. Chardonnay comes from Muscadet in Burgundy. Muscadet, real name is Melon de Bourgogne. He comes from Burgundy as well, but he ended up in Loire Valley, near the Atlantic. He make a very dry, very simple white wine. While Chardonnay, we can work it in a barrel and make it a little more sophisticated type of wine with it. The first wine I tasted that I was surprised was a sweet wine, because I was very young and I was not used to the sweet wine. It was a Muscadet de Venise. I still remember it because it was like chewing a real fresh grapes. It was absolutely fantastic. The fashion today is to come back to dry white wine, often rosé. Some people like hard drinks, but wine is coming to share a bottle of wine as an aperitif. Dry white wine, simple, or rosé wine, it can be suitable with little foods to go with it. Tapas, for example.